In this video, we'll be covering the installation process for the Hero XL Special Purpose Child Restraint. We recommend that the Hero XL is installed in an appropriate position in the second row of vehicle seats, and it should be noted that the Hero XL can only be installed correctly rear-facing. Before placing the Hero XL into the vehicle, take the opportunity to check if the vehicle has two available lower tether anchorage points, or that it has the capacity for these to be fitted with the included straps. Some vehicles may have these points fitted already, and these can be identified in the vehicle's user manual. Most vehicles will not have pre-fitted lower tether anchorages, and therefore for correct installation, the included straps must be fitted to the vehicle to provide these 2 points. To fit these straps, simply pass the strap around the seat rail of the front passenger or driver's seat, then pass the anchorage through one of the holes in the strap, creating a loop. When doing this, care should be taken to ensure the closest available hole is used when fitting the straps. Using a hole that is further along the strap means the metal anchorage is further from the vehicle floor. Once this is done, pull on the metal anchorage to tighten the strap and repeat on the other side. Other methods of installing these points in a vehicle also exist, and these can be found in the Hero XL user manual. Once these points have been identified or fitted, the next step is to place the Hero XL on the vehicle seat. The important thing to note here is that the yellow line indicated on the side of the seat base must not be positioned past the front edge of the vehicle seat. Once the desired position of the Hero XL is achieved, and the tilt adjustment lever at the front of the Hero XL has been used to adjust the required tilt angle, the vehicle seatbelt can then be fitted to the car seat as shown. This is done by undoing the zip marked with the number 1 in the base of the seat, lifting the belt clamp marked with the number 3, and passing the vehicle seatbelt through the slots at the side of the car seat, buckling the seatbelt into the receiver as shown. Both the lap and shoulder section of the vehicle seatbelt must pass through the belt clamp. The Hero XL can't be correctly installed in vehicles that only have a lap seatbelt. Prior to closing the belt clamp, care should be taken to tension the seatbelt correctly and remove all slack, ensuring a stable connection to the seat. Press down on the Hero XL whilst doing this for a firmer installation. Once all the slack from the seatbelt has been removed, close the belt clamp. Care should be taken to ensure the vehicle seatbelt is not twisted. Once you've done this, you can close the zip marked with the number 1. The next step in the installation process is to identify the 2 straps at the front of the car seat with hooks on the end. These straps must be connected to the lower anchorage points which you identified or fitted at the start of this video. Once both straps are connected to the anchorage points on their respective sides, firmly press down on the Hero XL in a side-to-side motion to ensure as much tension is being placed through these straps as possible. These straps will automatically adjust through the self-tensioning mechanism when pressure is applied. Once the straps have been secured and correctly tensioned, the foot prop can then be set to the correct angle, approximately 10 degrees from vertical, angling away from the car seat and towards the front of the vehicle. The length of the foot prop can then be adjusted by pressing the release button located halfway up the structure, extending the foot prop to the setting which provides solid contact with the vehicle floor. To achieve this, the Hero XL may need to be lifted slightly to get the foot prop length into the locked position. Once these steps are complete, it's important to recheck that the vehicle seatbelt is still appropriately tensioned and has not lost tension during the installation process. If this has occurred, simply repeat the vehicle seatbelt tensioning process again. Once all installation steps are complete, the ASIP side protection pad that is provided can be installed to the side of the Hero XL which is closest to the vehicle door. To do this, the cap on the connector plate may need to be removed and then reattached to the opposite side of the car seat. Once the connection plate is available, the ASIP pad can be placed into the provided slots and then slid downwards. The pad will click into position. And there we have it, a correctly installed Hero XL special purpose car seat.